food chain that is flow of energy. That is from the one trophic level to another. So generally, these food chains they are not they are connected with each other to form the food web. So no food chain it is isolated. So the organisms which act at various levels in different food chains. So feed on more than one type of organism and they form the complex food web. So here the food web, it is nothing but here the group of food chain, they are interconnected, interlocked to form the web-like structure. So complex the structure of these food chains, they forms a food web. So the food web, it is a network of food chains where the different types of organisms are connected at different trophic levels. So here food web, it is a network of food chains and they are connected at different trophic levels. So that there are number of options of eating and being eaten at each trophic level. So these are some of the examples of food web. So here many food chains are connected. So here, for example, here the green plant that is the producer. So it may be eaten by mouse or rabbit or goat. So this goat may be eaten by jackal or it may be eaten by lion. So like that, here these food chains, they are interconnected. So this mouse may be eaten by snake or it may be by wild cat like that. So here many options are there. So that there are number of options of eating and being eaten at each trophic level. So food web, it is nothing but it is a network of food chains where the different types of organisms are connected at different trophic levels. So these are the examples of food web. So this is our food web in the forest ecosystem. And here this is the example of food web in the grassland ecosystem with 5 possible food chains. So here first one is a grass to mouse, mouse to snake and hawk. Second one is a grass to rabbit and rabbit to hawk. Next third one, grass to grasshopper to the hawk. Next one is a grass to lizard. So here one that is a green plant to mouse, snake, kite and lion. So here again this mouse to, so here many food chains are there. So here so it is a food web, it is the network of food webs chains. So this is an example of submerged aquatic vegetation. So here phytoplanktons, they may be eaten by zooplanktons or benthic invertebrates, small planktivorous fish, feeding fish. So here these are the names. So in the food web, so a number of food chains are interconnected. So what is the significance of food chain and food web? So that is the main, this food chain, the main purpose of this food chain is that is the transfer of energy and nutrients. That is energy and nutrient flow. Second one is to maintain the population of different species and thus maintain the ecological balance. So main function of this food chain is to maintain the ecological balance. So for example, if there is no consumers, what happens? The producers number is increases. Okay. So for example, if the consumer that is herbivores are not, so producers number is increases. So for example, if the so to maintain the ecological balance, so this food chain plays an important role. So another one is a biomagnification. So biomagnification is a harmful phenomenon in which that is a buildup of DDT. So that is a chemicals or toxics in higher animals. That is from the one. So as the biomagnification, as a transfer of energy will takes place from one organism to another, so the amount of this toxic substances may be increasing. So it is called as a biomagnification. So I will stop here.